AY multi-character material bar. AY multi-character comes with a material bar that helps your scene load faster. So anytime you open up a particular scene, the material bar would load every material that is necessary for AY multi-character to work properly. And the advantage of that is when you generate other characters with other materials that have not been opened previously from your previous character, the material bar already had that open up. So the scene is just going to work seamlessly. So you don't have to waste any other time to wait for the material to load before you start working. And this is also EV specific. Cycles does not have this problem. So if you are planning to work using the EV render engine, that's when this material bar actually shines more for you.